Good afternoon, everybody. We're standing outside new listing at 330 Engell Court, Suisun City, California. It is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,206 square feet with a generous 6,961 square foot lot. Great court location in Suisun. Gonna give you a look at the location. Outside of the house, absolutely amazing. Let's go inside. This house has a ton of upgrades in it. We have all granite countertops, custom cabinetry throughout, engineered hardwood floors with tile or luxury vinyl in the bathrooms and laundry room. Let's go inside here. Here's a look at that beautiful engineered hardwood floors. Look at the vaulted ceilings over here. LED recessed lighting in the kitchen, 200 amp distribution panel, custom wood stair handrails. Take a look at it up there. And we'll just go through the entire house so you can take a look at it. Whole house fan, AC and furnace is only 5 years old. Tankless hot water heater, Engell vinyl windows, jetted tub in the guest bedroom, induction cooktop. Look at the beautiful kitchen. There's your gorgeous granite counters. Ring doorbell, ceiling fans in all bedrooms and family room, built-in alarm system, automatic sprinklers, front and backyards, and then you got a little orchard back there. You got apples, plums, orange tree, rose bushes, and Hawaiian ginger plants in the backyard. So let's just kind of walk through and take a look. Got a little built-in bar over here. There's so many extras on here. It's just easier just to kind of walk through and take a look. You got your built-in refrigerator over here. Put a little light on it. There we go. Look at that. You like wine? You got plenty of place for wine over here. Here's your downstairs bathroom. Now what they did over here is here's the original door, but they actually put a little cat door in there. I've actually seen that in other homes. So the cat has a little privacy. You've got an indoor laundry room over here. You've got there's your furnace right there, York system. You've got nice, generous 2-car garage, built-in shelf there just waiting for you. Through the bottom here, and we'll go upstairs and we'll go outside and take a look. Beautiful cabinetry, all upgraded. You have a really nice pantry right here, lots of room. Look at the refrigerator, really nice. Got lots of room. So let's go on upstairs. First bedroom on the left. There's your ceiling fans. Very generous closet. More storage space with granite counters, cabinetry. There is your hallway bathroom, dual sinks, which is nice. And here is your jetted tub in the guest bedroom. Second bedroom. Beautiful flooring. And here from the top, we're looking down. Absolutely beautiful. This house is pristine. And into the master bedroom we go. Very generous size. And you've got the brand new dual pane windows, Engell specifically. And now we're coming into the master bath. Here is You have two walk-in closets, one on the right and one on the left. There is your attic crawl space. And then you've got your dual sinks. You got your water closet. And a very, very nice walk-in shower. So we'll go back downstairs and just kind of take a look again as we walk through. This home was very well cared for. It's very clean. It is definitely turnkey. If you got any questions, feel free to call me. Cell phone 707-486-7493. Been selling real estate for 18 going on 19 years, and I welcome the opportunity to answer any of your questions. Let's jump in the backyard, and this would make this really special. Nice and easy to open. Look at that. There's your brand new air conditioning system. Your garden window off of the kitchen. And if you remove that bush, you do have room for a boat if you wanted to. All right, we're gonna wrap this up and send it out.